Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Today I am here to share my 2 bead projects that I've been working on with you. The two projects are from the Facebook group that I belong to called Paper Art Swaps. And the first project is we had to alter a cigar box and alter it in a bee theme. And I couldn't find a cigar box. Actually, I lied. I found some cigar boxes on Etsy, but you had to buy like 5 or 6 of them, and I just don't have the room to store all those. And so I actually went to Michael's and found an unfinished box that I altered. It was an unfinished wood box. And then we had to fill the box with like little gifts and little handmade goodies. And then the second project is a mini book in a bee theme. And again, we had to fill the little mini book with little gifts and handmade stuff. So I'm just going to show you everything at once. I'm going to show you both projects just because I don't want to drag it out. And one of them I have to send off tomorrow. So today's August 26th and it has to be sent out by tomorrow. I'm going to try to send it out today. And then the other one, the mini bee project, I don't even have my partner yet. I don't know who my partner is, and it doesn't have to be sent out till September, but I just figured I'd throw them both in at the same time. And so the cigar box project is a much bigger project where you include a lot more things, and the mini book is just like a little mini quick swap, so you don't include as many things. That's why one partner will be receiving a lot more than the other partner, because the cigar box was considered like a more advanced one, with more goodies, because it's a bigger box that can fit more things in it. Okay, and also I didn't know the bee project was coming up for the mini book when I first started this. And the reason why I say that is there's something that I created that I would have probably created too had I known I was going to have 2 bee partners. So first I want to show you in one of my videos, I'm going to try to link some of this stuff below because I know people have been looking for bee stuff and they've had a hard time. So I'll try to link some of the stuff below. But in a video that actually went live today, it was a collective haul, August 26th, I had shown these. These are little bee cabochons, and I said I had created something that I thought was exciting, and it was all based around these. So as I was like searching for like little, you know, bee decorations and crafty items, I came across these on Amazon, and I went to go look at the reviews for them. And when I went to look at the reviews, I saw that people were making beehives out of rope, and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm totally gonna make that for my bee cigar box, because like I said at the time, I didn't know I was gonna do a mini book project. So I would have made 2, but I can't because I can't find some of the stuff anymore. I tried. So my bee cigar person's getting this. So anyway, I saw a beehive and it was in the reviews and it said how much they had loved these. And I was like, oh my gosh, I have to make a beehive. So in one of my videos, you might remember I had hauled this little lamp from the 99-cent only store, or the 99. And it was like this clear plastic lamp. Well, I took it apart and I took the lampshade. So what a lot of people do is they use like plastic pots that you would plant flowers in or plant herbs in or whatever, and usually they'll get them at the Dollar Tree. Well, because of the time of year it is, those weren't easy for me to find because they're clearing out like a lot of their summer and gardening stuff, making way for like Halloween and fall. So I was really bummed out, but I was shopping at the 99 one day and I came across this lamp and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can totally take that apart and use the lampshade. So that's what I did. And this rope right here is Dollar Tree rope. I think I saved it because there's 2 Dollar Tree ropes. There's a thicker one and a thinner one. And I use the decorative nautical rope in the 9.5 foot. And I want to say that I used 2.5 of these to wrap the entire thing. So that's what it looks like. I think it's so cute. I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. My husband's like, you're giving that away? He's like, you should keep it. And I'm like, I can't. I just want to give it away, you know. I hope it makes someone happy. So that's what I'm giving in my cigar box. So let me show you the box. So like I said, This was from Michael's. I hauled it a long time ago in one of my Michael's hauls. I could link it if anybody's interested, let me know. But this is my box. So like I said, it was unfinished wood. And what I did was I took off all the hardware with some like mini screwdrivers, and I took off the hardware in the back, and then I painted it black. And then on the inside, I lined it with paper, and I did that with Mod Podge. So after I had painted it black, I put Mod Podge on the black paint, you know, after it was dry, and then I laid this paper down. I cut it to size, laid it down, and then Mod Podged the paper. And then I did the same thing on the lid. And this paper is the Photo Play paper. What is the name of that collection? I can't remember. It's the gnome one. So then on the top, I did the same thing. I cut the paper to size, I put Mod Podge on the wood, and then I put Mod Podge on the paper to like give it that glossy look and make sure that it stayed down. And then I just cut out a honeycomb and in a square and rounded the corners, and the paper is honeycomb. Then I just put some honeycombs on it, made a shaker, made a little honey pot, and I used, what is that called? Oh my gosh, glossy accents to make it shiny. And then I cut out the word honey in black and in yellow, glued it on top of each other, and then put glossy accents to make it shiny. So there's that. And then here is the, you might have saw in a video that I had picked up, let me see if I have one. I picked up from Magical Mixery on Etsy. I had picked up a bee themed sequin mix. But what I did was I added my own additions to it. So I added 2 additions to it. I added these little cupped flowers. And then I also added these little polymer clay slices that I got from Happy Kawaii Supplies on Etsy. So just because I kind of wanted to like make it my own and like jazz it up a little bit, give it like an extra pizzazz. So there's her box, and I'm gonna fill her box with stuff. So let's look at some of the things I'm gonna gift to her. So in a recent Hobby Lobby haul in the 90% off section, I found this cotton garland. Do you like how I pronounce those T's? Cotton? I don't know why I did that. So I found this. I thought it was so cute. And 90% off, you guys. It was like $149, normally $15. Isn't that such a good deal? So I'm going to give her that. And also, I had hauled this from the Hobby Lobby 90% off. Her name is Rochelle, who's getting the box. So I thought that was a really pretty tea towel, and I found an R, so I was like, oh my gosh, I'm totally getting that for her. The next thing is, you guys, you know I'm working on my rosettes. Don't judge me. I'm really trying. I'm gonna send her 2 rosettes, crepe rosettes. I'm pretty good at other rosettes, the kind like that you have to fold and stuff. But the crepe ones are, they're hard. Like, I don't know how people get them so perfect. So I made 2. I don't know. I hope she likes them. I think my struggle are, you know, I'm a Virgo, and I'm like so particular about stuff. I'm not like a picky person when people give me things. Like, I totally don't care. I love like raw, handmade, you know, flaws and all. It doesn't bother me at all. I'm such an easy person, but when I make something for someone else, I'm so critical. And so I think the thing that bugs me is like there's this little piece right here. It's like when you first start the fold and end the fold. I don't know why that bugs me. Nobody is probably going to notice or even care, but I do. I don't know. I'm so crazy. Okay, so I made 2 rosettes for her. Wish me luck. I hope she'll like them. I'm sure she will. Rochelle's totally cool. Then next I made this for both of them. So for both of them, I made them a bee themed pokey tool. So I'm going to go ahead and take out one because they're exactly the same. So I made a bee themed pokey tool, and I got a lot of these beads from Amazon, which I can link if you guys want to see. And then I just, you know, wire wrapped some beads in some bee colors. I got these beads from Amazon, put some little charms on the end of them. Got this little velvet heart. And then I put the word buzz on it with the little bee. So there's their pokey tools. Then I'm working on another project for fall where I needed to make these little lip balm holders, and I was gonna send them both Burt's Bees lip balm as a gift, and I'm like, perfect. I will just make 2 additional lip balm holders and send it to them and put their lip balm inside these little holders. So I mean, really basic. I just cut some paper and, you know, put some paper on top of it and just some stickers, and on the inside it holds the lip balm. And so that's what it looks like when it's tied. So they're literally exactly the same. Then here is the little bee book. So there's the little bee book, and I put some charms on the end. Now, this washi tape was not supposed to be here. So when I folded my book, I don't know what I did wrong, but the paper started tearing, so I had to perform emergency surgery. And so I ended up deciding to just put some washi tape on it to cover it up. So that worked out well. And then inside, it just looks like this, and it says Queen, and I put some stickles on there. And then these are where all her little trinkets are gonna go, which I'll show you. Okay, so then next, I don't know who I'm gifting these to, but I'm gonna gift these to one of them. It just depends on how much I can fill up in Rochelle's cigar box. And then let's see what else. I also cut them out some pretty gold beads, and I'll link this below because I got this on Amazon, this die cut. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. So I'm gonna give them some of these, and then I'll have some extras that I'll keep, because you know, you guys, I'm trying to like make extras of things so that when like a challenge comes up or a project comes up or someone just needs a little cheering up or some happy mail, I've got stuff ready to go. I've also made these where I'm gonna give them some, and then I have some extras. So I made these cute little bees. Oh my gosh, you guys, aren't they so cute? I love them so much. So we've got those, and we've got some extras. The same thing here with the little honeycombs. So I made 2 versions of them. I made this one where it's kind of puffed up on some foam. And I used the pretty yellow bling basil paper. So I'm gonna give them both some of those, and then I'll probably keep one to have on hand. And then I made a flat version where I didn't put any foam. So again, and so cute, you can just pop a bee on it, super cute, or you know, whatever you want to put on it. Then I made some extra honeys, so probably gonna give one away. And then I also made some extra honey sticks, also gonna include that and also have an extra one. I also made extra shakers, so I'm giving them both a shaker, and then I'll also keep one on hand. So fun. And if I can find the die for that, I will link it. Then I also made them both a bee themed tassel. I can link these for you guys below because I got them on Amazon. The little, what are they called? They're little, what are those called? Are they bezels? I think they're bezels. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure they're bezels. So just cut up some pretty ribbons, and I made a little tassel that I attached to it. This is some sparkly tassel that sparkly embroidery thread that I got from Michael's for Halloween, but I thought it went well with this. Just put some bees on there, and that's it. I punched out some paper from the bee paper collection I was using. Then they are both getting the rest of the sequins mix that was left after I made the shakers. And I think this is gonna go in the little bee book, is these little wax seals that I made. I think that's gonna go in there because that'll fit in there really good. And Then I also made some, oh, I've got some extras of these. I'm gonna give them both one and I'm gonna keep one. And then I made a bunch of cute little bows. So they're both gonna get one of each design. So there's that one, this one, and which one did I not show yet? I don't know, but I'm just gonna show them all because I don't know which one I didn't show yet. So they're both getting 4 bows, one of each design. And then they're both gonna get a thank you card. I got these at Hobby Lobby, so cute. I'm probably gonna package up some of this stuff in these super cute bags that I've had for a while. You might have seen me use them in projects, but I wanted to share them with you because people ask about them. I got them from Amazon and they're like clear, not clear, they're like frosty bags with like white polka dots on them and they're so cute. And then I wanted to share one more thing with you guys. Where did it go? Hold on, guys. I found it. So, if you've watched this video this far, get ready for a giveaway. So I have an extra die, and it's what I made this with. It's what I made the honey with, and it's what I made the honey sticks with. So let's see, I'm making this up on the spot, you guys. I have no idea what I'm gonna, let's see. Leave a comment telling me which thing was your favorite thing out of this video, like which item you like the best. And yeah, that's it. Super easy. Now, I don't know when this video will go up, so you're gonna have to be 18 or older to obviously enter. My channel is for 18 and older. I have it in the YouTube settings where I don't even have to mention it on my channel. It's just in the YouTube settings. You can live anywhere in the world because I will ship anywhere because I have viewers everywhere and I want you all to have an opportunity. I don't care how much shipping costs. I will send it to you. You would just be responsible for any charges from your country if your country does, well, I can't remember what the word is for that, but if your country does any kind of charges on their end, that would just be your responsibility. Like, I'm gonna ship it to you and that's it. You obviously have to be a subscriber, and like I said, then leave the comment. Now, when will the winner be announced? You're gonna wanna look inside the comments of this video, inside the description box with the rules, because like I said, I don't know what day this is going up. So I'll probably call the winner, make a video announcing the winner, I don't know, somewhere like 3 to 5 days after the video goes live. So that date will be inside the description of the video with the rules for entering to win this die. I think that'll just be the easiest way, because like I said, you guys, I film a lot of my videos in advance, and like I'll film a video today for like a haul and I won't post it for like 2 or 3 weeks. So that's why things might seem different on my desk, or I might say things that seem odd because like other things have happened since then. It's just that I make so many videos and I don't want to give you 5 videos a day because that would just be overwhelming. So I try to like spread them out over time and not do more than like 2, maybe even 3 videos in one day. So yeah, that's why I don't know when this is gonna go up, but I wanna thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions. Like I said, I'll try to link what I can below. If there's something that I don't link, ask me and I'll see if I can find it, and I would be happy to link it for you if I can find another one of them. Like if I wasn't able to find the original one, I'll try to find you another one. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all are doing well. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.